This channel is gaining millions of views and earns tens of thousands of dollars a month. The interesting information is that creating such content turns out to be surprisingly simple. Consider, for example, a video with the question, "What do you prefer, to read or go to the cinema?" Simple, but at the same time forcing the viewer to reflect and leave comments. This motivates him to watch the video to the end. Creating such content is quite simple and effective. Now let's run the video and watch it to the end. To get started, use this hint from the description below to create your own table in the GPT chat. Follow these steps. If you want to create a video similar to the one you saw on this channel, follow the link canva.com. Select the video option, then mobile video. Click in the middle of the page and press the R key to create a rectangle. Move it to the middle of the page and change its color to musical pink. Create another rectangle by pressing the R key. Place it under the pink rectangle so that it occupies the rest of the page. Then choose the blue color. Create another rectangle by pressing the R key again. Place it in the middle of the page and make it black. Press R again to create a rectangle and then change its shape to a circle by selecting the circle option. Reduce its size and place it in the middle. Go to the text section and select Add Title. Place the text in the center of the circle, change the text color to white, set the font to Saifon and the text size to 70. Go back to the text and select Add Title again. Place it under the circle and type T. Go to the animation section and select Typewriter. Next, go to Effect and select Outline. Change the color to black and the font to cyan. After that, click Duplicate and place the text below, replacing it with T. To add animation, go to the Animation section and select Pop. Then go down and select Pulse to give the movement. Follow similar steps to add fictional percentages. Right-click and select Showtime to set a specific time when items should appear and disappear. Just follow my example. I changed the display time of an element by about 0.4 seconds and another element by about 1.3 seconds so that one appears first and then the other. To change the time for an item on the page, just click on it and adjust the time. When the time reaches 5.5 seconds, and for one element it is the same as for the other, we begin to show the third element while hiding the first two. To do this, we set the vanishing point for the first two elements, and then the third one will begin to appear. Great, now let's add some sound effects. As a timer for cooking eggs, we will use the sound of an alarm clock. To create a tick-tock sound, we start it when the first two elements appear completely and stop it when they disappear. Then we add a sound effect with the name Bell Music after the results. Then we move the third element on top of the words so that when they are displayed, the percentages disappear and a third element appears in their place. We add a sound effect when the first two elements appear using whoosh and synchronize it with the appearance of words. Great job! Now let's add a table and automatically create several pages. To do this, go to the application, search for bulk, and copy the entire table. Then we return to Canva, select Mass Creation, then enter data manually, clear the table, and insert it. Then we continue and create 30 pages based on this table. Don't forget to add sound effects to each page manually. Now let's add images to make the video more visually appealing. Go to the elements and enter the name of the first option. Select an image and place it above the corresponding word. Repeat this step for other elements. Now each image will appear together with the corresponding element, completing the addition of animations. For example, you can choose the fade effect as it is suitable for both images. Finally, we change the color of the higher percentage to green and the lower one to red. Now let's add audio to make the video more interesting. Go to Taskmaker DCOM, enter the names of the products, select the voice, element 1 or element 2, complete the recording and convert it. Then we download the audio file and add it to the Canva, placing it at the beginning of each word. For example, element 1. You need to manually add images and sound effects for all 30 pages and then upload the video by going to the Share section. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to join me on the wave of my training programs. Analyze and repeat step by step with me. Grow and prosper. Let's make this world a better place together.